Okay, in this video we are going to install a contract source server. On my web page, on the downloads tab, if you scroll down, you can download script files to install game server for CSS and CSGO. And then we can also download config files to be used with game servers that are playing CSS. Okay. And then we also need to download Steamcmd, and you can use this page to get your SteamID. Your SteamID will be used by source mod if you want to have admins. Okay, so to install SRCDS we are going to go to our C drive, make a new folder called SRCDS. In that folder, make a new folder again, call it CSS, and then we make Steamcmd. Okay, drop the Steamcmd executable in the Steamcmd folder. And then take the script and take CSS start text file and CSS bat file. And then for the configs, you can take the configs when we are done with the installation. Okay, edit the file with the text editor like Notepad++. And then we want to have the game path, and the game path is the CSS folder you just made, the Steamcmd folder, the tools path, and save. And what we can do is, if you click on this script, allow, okay, so the server is now downloaded, and then we can install our config files. Just drag and drop the CStrike folder into the CSS folder and replace all. And then to install our plugin that we compiled in the last video. If you haven't seen the last video, I will link it in the YouTube description. You can go into build and then take the config folder and the add-ons folder, copy them, go into the CStrike folder, and then paste the files. And replace the folder. Okay, go back to the CSS folder, open up the start text file, make a shortcut from the exe file, rename it, and then go to properties and paste those commands at the end of the destination. Apply, OK, click on the file to start the server, and then the server, allow this, and then the server will start. If you are in the CSS folder, you can go to CStrike, add-ons, source mod, plug, source mod, configs, and then you have this file called admins simple. you can add your admins in this file. And when I am going to do that, and when I've done that, I see you in the game. Okay, so this is what it looked like in the game, and you can see the menu here, or the stats. And if we open up the admin menu, we can go to the commands for the RPG, and then we have manage players. Can take myself, and then we have manage upgrades, and I can give myself all upgrades, and I can also manage the stats, the levels. I can give myself some levels,